How to make money with Canva for selling posters on Fiverr. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money in just 1 minute with Canva posters. So as we all know, Fiverr is one of the most famous freelancer app and website. As you can see this page, we can see a lot of posters here that are getting sold for $65 to $20 or 60, but there is a lot of 60 here. Imagine that you can sold one of them with only 65, and this person here just sold 2,000 plus posters. Imagine guys, for 65. If you want to do it too, just go to Canva like this and go to the home page. Go to the home page, and now go down and click here on this option right here, then search for poster right here and click on the poster option and wait a few seconds. It will take you to this page right here. On this page you will find free templates that you can sold for, imagine, for at least $20 on Fiverr, and they are so professional. As you can see, you can sell them, as I said, for 65 or even 20 or whatever you want, like those persons right here. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.